This is what it looks like in the mornings. G and I are gonna go try to catch the sunrise. It's 5 o'clock a.m. The roosters are crowing. We're gonna try to catch the sun come up. Today we're doing a huge ride. 160 kilometers, but it's all uphill into the mountains. It's probably gonna take us most of the day, if not all day. We're gonna have to stop a lot. I got the oil change yesterday. It was super black, so I'm glad I did that. We're probably gonna have to get gas about halfway. We're gonna have to stop for the bike to cool down. We'll see how it goes. These are the little round boats people go fishing in. They look like this.
Look how smooth it is. Want to keep it?
If you want to. All right, this is our second, well, technically our third stop, our second cool down stop, because the bike gets really hot in these hills. They're very steep and we have to go very slow and the bike gets really hot. So we're on our second stop. The bike's doing a lot, not necessarily better, but it's pretty much, it's impressing me for a Chinese manufactured motorcycle, for how much we paid for it, for how much weight we have on here. It's really impressing me at how well it's going up these really steep hills. And the view is so amazing here. We were somewhere way down there on the ocean, and now we're halfway, more than halfway to Lat up in the hills. And it's really cool up here. The humidity's kind of dissipating. It's getting nice. We definitely need some gas soon, and we need some more water. We're running out of water.
I can take care of the gas. Just kidding. Is that a good one? No, is that a good one? Oh, man.
Well, we need gas and we need water, and we're gonna let the bike cool for about 5 more minutes for a total of roughly 20 minutes and get to going. Finished 2/3 of our long ride today. It's been pretty beautiful, but also very rough. The views have made it worth it. What do you think, Gina?
Yes, my back hurts, but it's been nice.
So right now we're at Pangor Falls. It's the 2/3 mark of our ride. We're gonna have some lunch and see these beautiful waterfalls. I don't know if we realize what we're getting ourselves into. It's a long way down, but we're already here, and the pictures of this place look awesome. Sketchy stairways. It's actually not that far down when it's this steep. twitchy from being on the bike for the last 3 hours. I don't know if they have blood flow yet. This canyon in here with the waterfall is just lush jungle. It's really, really cool. Waterfall journey is over. Now we're gonna...
my first hole in the ground.
Gina just used her first hole in the ground as a toilet.
And I peed on the side of the road.
And she peed on the side of the road, which she said she'd never do. 49 kilometers more to Lat. I'm gonna try to hammer that out. It might be steep again though, so it might take longer than I think.
It's gonna get cool though. Cool,
but the temperature's gonna drop significantly. It already has.
Apparently you know you're on the way when you can smell the eucalyptus trees.
49 kilometers to go to Lat. I just had my first steaming hot shower since the United States and it felt amazing. Not that the other hotels needed hot water because it was so hot, but the temperature has dropped so much up in the hills here that a steamy shower was a must. And our hotel is pretty freaking nice. They just keep getting nicer, but this one really tops them. We have a king size bed. Way bigger than we need it. And it's so soft. It's the softest bed we've had for sure. Room's a good size. Bigger than all the other ones we've had. This is $20 for 2 nights. We got a little balcony. There's some construction on the other side. They're not loud, and I assume they're not working tonight. But this balcony is super cool. Probably gonna have a couple beers here later. We don't have like a super cool view, but if you peek around here, anyway, that is that. I don't really know what we're gonna do with the rest of our day, but we're staying here 2 nights, so we have a full day tomorrow. And I'm stoked because I could totally sleep 2 nights on this bed.
We're at a coffee shop, rated number 1. Finally cold enough for a hot coffee.
It's actually really cold here, especially when you come from 90 degrees with 90% humidity. It's 75 here with like 30% humidity. A whole different world. This city's really cool. We gotta get some videos because it's just super villagey. Everything is like almost cottage-like. It's really neat. But we have to try to beat the rain today with the activities we have planned, so it's gonna be tough to do. Our coffee also comes with a pot of tea.
Oh my god. Crazy house.
Alright, we're at the crazy house. We've just got our coffee. We've just got our breakfast at this awesome bakery. And we're gonna take a little tour of the crazy house. So we're at the crazy house, and I don't even know where we start or what we do here. Should we go up that staircase?
Yeah, let's start there.
Alright, we're going up a random staircase. This looks like one of the rooms you can stay in. You can actually book a room in the crazy house and stay here a night or 2 or however long. Look at the city. The city's so crazy. Look at that like ladder stairway. That's like vertical right there.
Look at from right here. The gourd.
Look at these freaking walkways. Look at that walkway. Up and over that arch. Let's do it.
These are steep.
Sketchy as fuck. This is like one of the sketchiest walkways I've ever been on. This is like waist high. I just fall straight off this thing. Just wide enough to fit through, just tall enough to fall over. Sketchiest things ever. I can't believe they left this. People do this.
All the way up?
Yeah, keep going. Another sketchy stairway. Brown. These are all walkways. Walkway, walkway, walkway. All the way around. And then up.
What does this do? Can I turn the light on?
Hit it. Wow. Like land eagle.
Oh. This room is crazy. Look at the bathroom.
Oh, there's 2 beds.
It'd be kind of fun to stay here.
It'd be really cool to stay here. It's like a rubber stick. It's not fun. Here's the ant room. These rooms are really cool. Okay, so we are done with the crazy house. We're at the Lat Flower Garden now. Hopefully it's as good as we think it's gonna be.
They're in pots.
It's pretty nice in here. It smells good. All kinds of flowers.
Oh, they got a bonsai garden.
We're in the rose garden. It's a nice one.
I like them.
That's it for the flower garden. We're probably gonna go get some lunch. I'm really hungry. I know tonight we're going to the night market, but we have a bunch of time between now and then, so not quite sure what we're gonna do other than eat, but we're gonna go eat right now. We're at our last night in Lat, our last adventure in Lat. In front of us, the night market. It's huge. Gina's already spotted the corn. We're very tired. We've pushed ourselves to go tonight. We had to go because it's you have to go to the night market in Lat. So we're here. We're pushing through it. We're tired. We're gonna do it. Kind of overwhelmed. There's a lot of vendors here. A lot of vendors.
Wow.
It's hard for me to want to use the camera here. Keeping it very close to my person, both hands on it.
Yeah.
I feel like this is very easy to get pickpocketed here. I've got locks on my backpack. Gina's wearing her backpack on her chest. That's why I'm not really filming too much.
I think I do want to try it tonight. They have like the peanut flavored soy milk, and it's like, it's something you're supposed to try in Lat because the soy milk is really different than it is in the States. So they have peanut flavored one, which is called cocoa. And it's hot.
Well, that's what we're gonna look for then. These things are pretty good. They're aloe vera bites. I think we might get some.
You want to get the mixed ones, or you want to get the just
I want to
these
get
ones?
the mixed ones. I'm gonna eat all these really fast. These are good.
Soy milk. Hot.
Hot soy milk. We're gonna try it. It's famous here, so we gotta do it.
It's good. It's weird. It's
Good?
really hot.
It's actually really good.
I wish we had the peanut one, but that's really good.
That'd be really good with like a pastry or.
That's how they do it. You sit down with little pastries and you eat as many. They were all like down there at the very beginning. You sit down and they bring you a tray of pastries, and as you eat them, then they charge you for what you eat.
Gina's getting her first corn of Vietnam. It's steamed, so we'll see how it is. We usually grill it at home, and we got really good corn every day in Thailand that was grilled.
How excited I am. I finally got corn. I've been looking for corn for so long, and I finally found some.
Well, that's gonna end this episode of Lat Vietnam. I would honestly come back to this city. I had a really good time. I can't wait for the next mountainous city. We're heading back down to the ocean tomorrow. Big ocean city, Nha Trang.
Lots of tourism.
Yeah, it's gonna be big tourism, I think. They kind of turned into a party town. We'll see. It looks beautiful though. It looks like a really beautiful city. We might end up staying 2 nights. Lat was great. I would definitely come back to this city. I can't wait for the next mountainous city. Peace.